Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi amma ba'd. This is our walkthrough for resource 14. أسئلة مراجعة من الدرس الرابع عشر. Review questions for lesson 14. We're on page number 119 of our workbooks. At this time, it's expected that you've studied lesson 14 and that you've attempted to answer the questions in this resource, and you've reviewed your answer choices with the answer key on page number 218 of your workbooks. At this time, we'll go over the questions and the answer choices for additional benefit, insha'Allah ta'ala. السؤال الأول قال الإمام ابن آجرم رحمه الله. The Imam Ibn Ajrumiyyah stated, may Allah have mercy on him, وَلِلنَّصْبِ كَمْ عَلَامَاتٍ. How many different signs are there, according to the author, for the mansub case? A. Sittu. B. Khamsu. C. Thalathu. D. Arba'u. And so the author stated, as you can find in the text, وَلِلنَّصْبِ خَمْسُ عَلَامَاتٍ. So the correct answer choice is B. السؤال الثاني, the second question, علامات النصب هي الفتحة والألف وماذا? The signs of a word being mansub are the fatha, the alif, and what else? A. والكسرة والنون والباء. B. والضمة والواو. C. والكسرة والياء والنون والسكون. Or D. والكسرة والياء وحذف النون. And so actually building on what you know from question number 1, there are 5 signs. There are only 2 answer choices which make the number of signs 5. And they are A or D. As for B and C, they don't actually give us 5 alamat, so they must be wrong. Looking at answer choice A then, a kesra, a noon, and a ba, quite simply, these are not signs of words being mansub. Well, the kesra is, the noon, actually the absence of a noon is a sign, and a ba is absolutely irrelevant. So answer choice D is correct, وَالْكَسْرَةُ وَالْيَاءُ وَحَذْفُ النُّونِ, and that is taken directly from the text of the Muqaddimah. السؤال الثالث, the third question, مثال الكلمة التي علامة نصبها الألف. An example of a word that has an alif as its sign of being mansub would be A. يضربان. B. أبا هريرة. C. ضربا. Or D. كثيرا. So the correct answer is B. أبا هريرة, because the alif is a sign of a mansub word in the 5 nouns. Abuka wa akhuk, and so on. So Abu Huraira becoming Aba Huraira means this name has been made mansub. So the correct answer choice is B. السؤال الرابع, the fourth question. أعرب يخرجا من قوله تعالى قالوا إن هذان لساحران يريدان أن يخرجاكم من أرضكم. Again, the 63rd verse of Surah Taha. What is the i'rab of the word يخرجا in that passage? A. فعل مضارع منصوب علامة نصبه حذف النون. B. فعل مضارع مرفوع علامة رفعه النون. C. اسم مرفوع علامة رفعه النون. Or D. فعل مضارع منصوب علامة نصبه الألف. And so يخرجا is definitely not an ism, so we can disqualify answer choice C right away. We know it's a fi'l mudari'. Is it marfu' or mansub? Well, if it were marfu', then it would be yukhrijani with the noon, as we know. So therefore, answer choice B is disqualified. We're left with A or D. علامة نصبه حذف النون or علامة نصبه الألف. And the noon being removed is the actual sign of this word being mansub, as we've studied. So therefore, the correct answer choice is A. السؤال الخامس, the fifth question. مثال الكلمة المنصوبة علامة نصبها الضمة. An example of a mansub word which has a dhamma as its indicator of being in the mansub case. Your answer choices are A. السماوات, B. الأرض, C. الكفار, or D. لا يوجد. So, notice the question. You're being asked for a word that's mansub. There are words that are mansub. That's a thing. However, what kind of mansub word has a dhamma as its indicator that it's mansub? There's no such thing. So, the correct answer choice is then D. لا يوجد. There is no such thing. There is no example for this. السؤال السادس والأخير, the sixth and final question, is مثال الكلمة المنصوبة علامة نصبها الياء. An example of a mansub word that has a ya, the letter ya, as its sign of being mansub. Your answer choices were A. al-Muslimayni, B. Isa, C. Abi Hurayrata, or D. La yujadu. So, what's correct is answer choice A. al-Muslimayni, and that is because it's muthanna. And the ism muthanna is marfu' when it has an alif, like al-muslimani. When you say al-muslimayni, that ya now, that takes the place of the alif, is your sign of that word being mansub. Barakallahu fikum. I hope you did really well, and I hope you're benefiting from these classes and these resources. والله أعلم وصل اللهم وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.